आईएमडी ने अपने 9th जून की प्रेस रिलीज में ये फोरकास्ट किया था कि देयर इज ए लो प्रेशर एरिया दैट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म ओवर नॉर्थ बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड उसके बाद द रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी ओवर गोवा इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 11th ऑनवर्ड्स। तो पिछले 24 आवर्स में गोवा में सांगे में हेवी रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया और आज से यानी कि फ्रॉम 12th जून से इंक्रीज रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यू होने वाला है गोवा के ऊपर फॉर अबाउट 5 days। तो द लो प्रेशर एरिया दैट वाज फोरकास्टेड हैज फॉर्म्ड ओवर नॉर्थ वेस्ट बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड as on today 12th June it is lying over the coastal regions of West Bengal and Odisha and adjoining parts of northwest Bay of Bengal. So in coming days, this system is expected to move uh, west northwestward and reach over छत्तीसगढ़ नॉर्थ छत्तीसगढ़ इन 2 to 3 days। तो जब ये सिस्टम मूव होगा उसके साथ रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी और मानसून का स्ट्रेंथ गोवा के ऊपर भी बढ़ने वाला है आने वाले दिनों में स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 12th of June onwards। तो we have issued IMD has issued continued heavy to very heavy rainfall warning including isolated extremely heavy rainfall warning for the coming 5 days। So on 12th and 15th there is possibility of uh, heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places यानी कि heavy rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours, very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. This category of rainfall is very likely over north and south Goa districts. 25 to 50% of stations may record heavy to very heavy rainfall on 12th and 15th of June. Now the rainfall intensity is going to further increase after today, that is on 13th and 14th the rainfall activity may further increase and even extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours, that also is expected, that also is very likely at 1 or 2 stations over districts of Goa on 13th and 14th of June. So further onwards there could be slight reduction after 15th of June. So the distribution of very heavy rainfall decreases on 16th June. In short, there is this orange colored warning issued for Goa for the coming 5 days including 12th of June, and on 14th, since there is probability of extremely heavy rainfall for continued 2 days, there is a red colored warning for North and South Goa districts on 14th of June. Now when this continued rainfall activity is there, increased and continued rainfall activity is there for more than 2 days, there is possibility that the vulnerable areas which are vulnerable for landslides, rockfalls or flooding, that may get affected. So precaution has to be taken for people who are staying in such vulnerable areas, and when the increased rainfall activity is there, we can expect that that there could be shorter disruption to traffic, there could be short disruption visibility when intense rainfall spells are taking place, and if the rainfall activity is continuing for more than 2 days, we have to expect that the water level in rivers also may slightly rise in this coming days. So necessary precautions has to be taken, and ghat areas, if they are vulnerable for flash floods and all, they should be taking extreme precautions. People there should be taking extreme precautions. So the detailed possible impacts are issued on IMD Goa's website. Please be regularly updated with these warnings and impact based forecast and all the information that is updated regularly from IMD in these coming 3 to 4 days. Along with that, there is warning for fishermen. Fishermen are advised not to venture into sea along and off of South Maharashtra Goa coast, and also along the entire stretch of western coast of the country, because the wind speed is going to be 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. All these 4 to 5 days, over North Goa and South Goa district. Along with the rainfall spells, there is likelihood that the winds will be of the speed of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. And apart from that, in the seaside, the winds will be slightly more stronger. That's why fishermen are advised not to venture into sea. In seaside, along and off the coast, it could be 40 to 50, gusting to 60 kilometers per hour. So this is the map. The highlighted areas are the regions where fishermen are advised not to venture into sea. In short, fishermen are advised not to venture into sea from Goa for the coming 5 days. Again, it is requested that please be regularly updated with the warnings and forecasts issued by IMD in coming days. So this is the radar image of clouds around Goa. We can see that there's back-to-back clouds that are going to come, and at around 5 p.m. of 12th June, we can say that there is possibility that the rainfall activity may continue at least for 2 to 3 more hours. As of now, the North Goa, more of the rain is there in the North Goa. The clouds, once they approach towards the eastern side, the Ghat side also will start to receive rainfall, and it may continue for around 2 to 3 hours at least. So please be regularly updated in these coming days, as there is going to be increased rainfall activity over Goa. Please be updated with the warnings, forecast and impacts based forecast issued by IMD in these coming days.